going to show you how to make SIOP objectives using Canva and ChatGPT. So as you can see, this is one I made for math using ChatGPT and Canva, and I added some elements into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make a presentation, a blank one that looks like this, where there's a text box that can be filled in with the text that you want. If you're on my template right here, you're going to hit File, make a copy, and then you will have your copy set up. Then you're going to open ChatGPT. And I already typed this in, but I wrote, write learning and language objectives for each lesson of Eureka Math Level 1, Module 2. And it's going to generate those for me. So we've got Lesson 1, Lesson 2, and so on. So now I could copy and paste these all into a Google file, a Google Sheets file, but it's going to come up a little wonky. So what I would suggest to do is you're going to go back to ChatGPT, is copy and paste it one at a time like this. Copy. It's going to take a little more time, but, oops, sorry, wrong one. It will come out better when you print it, when you put it in your slides. So there we go. We've got one in there. I'm going to go to the next one. So now that didn't work the right way. So I'm going to undo it and make sure I'm actually in the box. And there we go. I'm going to go back again, get Lesson 2, copy it, make sure I'm in the box, and paste, and so on. I'm not going to do all of these. If I was done, I would make sure I name it Math Objectives Module 2. Okay. And then I would do File, and I would do Download, and the arrow, and CSV. Okay, so now this is getting downloaded to my computer. I'm going to go back to my slides. I'm going to click over here, and I'm going to look on the side over here for Bulk Create. And I'm going to upload data. So I'm going to upload my data. I'm going to click it. I'll look for my downloads, and I have it. I'm going to click it here. I'm going to click over here these 3 dots to connect the data. And then I'm going to do Connect Data. And I just click right there. And then on the bottom here it says Continue. Just cut off a little, sorry. I'm going to click Continue, Generate Design, and let's see what it does. So there we go. I'm just going to drag it out. And we have our lessons. And I'm just going to have to adjust it a bit. And if you want, what you can do is you can add images. So let's say I want to go to Elements, I want to do Count. I can add this image to above it to help your English language learners with the vocabulary. You could put it above it, or you could put it next to it. Just like that. And you have them done in bulk. So I would, if I had put them all in, I would have all of them done at once. All right, I hope that helps.